This competition is an absolute meat grinder, but all of us live for the battle.
There's some kind of like a magical thing about this show and the chefs competing, and if you can come here and compete here, you can kind of do anything.
It is a principle of my life of do the scary thing.
I am addicted to chaos. That's why I signed up.
I am a glutton for punishment, apparently.
Guy Fieri made me do it, so that's why I'm here.
Being asked to compete amongst these incredible chefs is such an honor, and that's why I'm here.
I've been on literally every single Food Network show. I've won practically all of them too, so watch out!
I've been nominated for a James Beard Award. I am an Olympian. I use the same sort of determination in the kitchen as I did on the track.
My background is in fine dining. I work in the best kitchens in Paris, in Spain, in New York.
I was on the first season of MasterChef Junior at age 12, and basically straight from that experience, I went into working in restaurants.
I think being a chef and having a chef life career, the cutthroatness of the kitchen kind of always sets us all up for this kind of, competition.
Last year, I was in my head. Last year, I was starstruck. That's not gonna be the case this year.
Start off as fast as I can, get it started, but then pause. Remember your years of training and what train of thought you have in order to finish your dish complete.
Brace myself, breathe through, understand that I'm here for a reason.
This year, I'm going all the way. I know what I'm doing. My mind's right, my body's right. I'm just untuned with it. I'm just ready to crush everything in sight.
I think my strategy is to stick with what I know. That's rustic and sexy. That's my motto. That's how I cook.
Really, my game plan here is to just compete against myself and use every single thing on that randomizer and forget about the competition. My strategy is to be true to myself and cook my food and and make sure that I'm using the randomizer as much as I possibly can.
My strategy is to cook my heart and soul, right? Keep it clean, keep it authentic, and go with your gut.
Biggest competitor that I have is myself. It's me versus myself versus that clock, and I know that my best dish wins.
Jet Tila is enemy number one. I'm coming for you, Jet. Look out. I want you this year.
I'd have to say that my biggest competition here would definitely be Chef Carlos, and I think it's my time to beat Carlos today.
Jonathan Sawyer. Man, that guy is a fierce competitor.
Piet. She has this combinations of flavors that I really admired.
This year is me, the randomizer against me and the randomizer. Whoever I compete against, that's their own battle. This is mine.
8 chefs are making their way into the Tournament of Champions. That is unheard of. I know I belong on that bracket.
Guys, los amo. I love you. I respect you. But the Mexican mama is here to stay.
Look at this body. You see this is all food and this is all love and it's all passion and it's all heat. And it brings all beast to everything I do.
I might be an unfamiliar face to some of you, but you're gonna wanna remember this face because I'm coming for you.
A message to my fellow competitors, don't underestimate me. I may be the underdog and the young baby here, but I pack a punch and you'll be surprised how I show up in the competition.
It's your girl, Chef Piet, the Corn Queen, and I keep it hot 7 days a week, so you better watch out. Like, I'm a bad loser. I'm an abysmal winner. I mean, I'm gonna be like graffitiing it on walls. It's gonna be bad. Seriously. Like, pray that I don't win anything.
At the end of the day, you win and you get in, and I've won a lot this year. Good luck, everybody. Hope to beat you.